Welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day. We're gonna have a small video on what we've got today. It's so cool. This stuff is like absolutely awesome. You gotta check it out. Of course, I'll show you a video of everything that's going on, but actually, let's pause that. We'll make it for after you watch this montage video, so hope you enjoy. find my charger. Time for us to start going through all our nice antique glass. Oh yeah. Just a small little thing, so it was a pain in the butt trying to figure out how everything goes together. But check this sucker out. We got it all full of stuff and whatnot. All very old antique glass. Old teacups and just crystal. Old china. Just so cool. Ugh, if I can open it. Some handmade glass bowls. I got this from a good friend of ours, Orma, and I bought a whole bunch of her stuff when she was selling it because I just love old stuff. And here's some watermelon glass, some of our favorites. Love the watermelon glass. And of course all these cabinets are just full. We need like maybe 20 more of these suckers. But this is a Thomasville cabinets. some more crystalware and china, some just really cool stuff. My dad sent this down from Alaska. It's a hand carved seal. Just really, really cool stuff. So, and some of our really old books. And of course underneath here is all dishes and stuff that hopefully soon we can display them all. But I gotta give let me get this set back up. Oh yeah. Make sure I can see myself. I gotta give a huge shout out to wow, that's horrible looking. That's even worse looking. My camera skills are not the greatest in the world, let's just say that. Yeah. Anyways, I gotta give a huge shout out to Hay Street Marketplace. They're the ones that let us know about these pieces here, and we bought them. We also bought a desk that we'll show some other time, and of course that lamp that's sitting right there. It's just this really cool old thing. So if you live in like the Wichita Falls or Texoma area and you're looking for like old furniture, old books, or even newer stuff, you can go down and check them out on Facebook. I'll leave a link in the description. They're just really good people. I know them personally, and I highly, highly recommend that if you're looking for something and they might have it. The prices are perfect. I mean, but you know, if you're looking for something, they might actually have it, and they do sales. You know, they do estate sales at people's homes, and they also go out to, you know, and they also have a warehouse, not a warehouse, a storage. Well, maybe it is like a warehouse storefront. Maybe it's storefront. Let's go with storefront. That you can go there and actually look at everything they have. Some really cool furniture. Books, kitchen appliances. I mean, they just got everything. So you can check them out on Facebook. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. And yeah, and he's not a sponsor of this. I paid full price for this stuff. I'm not gonna tell you how much I paid for it because I gave myself a heart attack because I got it for a really good price. And in life, you're going to find good people and bad people, and these are definitely good people. And when I meet good people, I want to put them out there so that maybe they can get business from, you know, other people that may be watching this that live in the Texoma area. So yeah, if you're needing something or looking for something, just go to Hay Street Marketplace on Facebook, and you can look at all their pictures. I mean, they got lots of pictures of a lot of their stuff, and they actually have an estate sale going on right now. Anyways, just a massive shout out to Hay Street Marketplace for helping us acquire this beautiful Thomasville furniture set, and we also hired a guy, but he didn't give me permission to put his name out there. He's a handyman here in Wichita Falls. He didn't give me permission to send out his information, so that I will respect his privacy because I haven't heard back from him yet. But you know, a really good guy that helped me and move all this stuff from Hay Street over to here. So, like I said, if you're looking for something and you need something, definitely look them up. This stuff's really awesome, and the prices, like I said, are really good. So we went to Habitat for Humanity. This is Thursday. I'll be posting the video tomorrow. I'm going to re-edit my video so I can put this in there. But check this out. This is awesome. We picked up these chairs. We have been looking for chairs to go with this table because we bought this at Pier 1 Imports, but could never find chairs, and we picked these up at Habitat. How cool is that? We got 6 of them. Yay! And they're really nice, good quality, just really good. So, I mean, I'm excited as all get out. And it makes me happy. Almost makes me want to do the happy dance. Finding all kinds of cool stuff to put in the house. So I'm so happy. Anyways, I hope that you take care of yourselves. I hope that you take care of each other. And I hope that you have a great day. And
Peace out.